Hello everyone and welcome to Knock Hospitality. I bring you another very interesting video on hotel rating systems. Let's all not be shy to admit that we face a lot of confusion when choosing the right hotel when it comes to the star rating systems. There are two major rating systems in the world and the rest of the world follow the two major systems. One is the United States rating system and the other one is European rating system. Based on the ministries of tourism locally, they decide which one to follow and based on that award the stars to the hotel, and that hotel displays those stars at the main entrance for people to know. Now, very important to understand what is a rating system. Rating system is something that help you to evaluate the quality of the hotel. Now when I say quality, I'm afraid that you think one-star hotel is not worth staying. Absolutely not. One-star hotel is also worth staying depending on your choice of travel. If you are traveling with the backpack and you are traveling light, you don't have much of your stuff, you're not going with your Louis Vuitton full range of luggages, then you can choose to stay in a one-star hotel. This concept is a hostel concept where you find just bed and basic place to stay, and you do not expect a lot of cleaning services as well. So when you check out, the room is ready again for the next person to come and stay. If we talk about the two-star category, in a two-star category, you expect a little bit more. What more? You expect an old-fashioned TV, and you might, if you're lucky, there is a telephone. Definitely old model, not bling bling, not flashy flash. If we talk about a three-star hotel, that is definitely a larger chain, and in that larger chain you expect some sort of connection with the reception. They are available some time of the day. You expect a little bit of support on your room service. They might give you some food in your room, not throughout the clock, maybe in the morning, in the afternoon. If you're lazy like me and you want to get served in your bed, then that option is available some hours of the day. With this being said, you have another option in a three-star hotel, the reception, where you can speak and ask questions and get answers. There is someone always there to help you, but not throughout the clock, but major hours, the peak hours, there's always someone available to answer your questions. You expect a laundry service, maybe not in-house laundry, maybe they send you a laundry outside, get it dry cleaned and bring it back and deliver you. In a three-star hotel, maybe on-site laundry if you're lucky. You expect a very basic gym, but we are talking about very, very basic. We are not talking about bling bling, we are not talking about state of art. And again, you expect a TV, you expect some more channels, you expect the location to be prime and connected with the local transportation system. If we talk about a four-star hotel, definitely plus, plus, plus. We are talking about a very good welcome, very inviting big lobby, welcoming lobby, and you have luggage assistance at the main entrance, and you have valet parking where someone is responsible to park your car. You walk into the lobby, you have staff to assist you, very friendly staff, and you have 24 hours room service. You can be in bed for 24/7, and you also have the gym. That gym is a little bit better gym compared to a three-star hotel with a lot of machinery, more choice of machinery. You also have a concierge that provide you some finest recommendations, provide you with some very useful recommendation to explore the city, regardless if you are on a leisure or a business trip. With this being said, moving on to our five-star luxury hotel. That is a lavishing experience. You're talking about a fancy lobby, you're talking about unforgettable moment of life, you're talking about a breathtaking moment. This lobby is designed to leave an everlasting experience for all of you. A five-star experience is a premium concierge, 24 hours reception that provide you a different languages support because people speak different languages at the reception. You have 24 hours of facilities around the clock. You have room service, you have laundry service, you have gym that is state-of-art gym, you have a fitness instructor to help you improve your exercise skills and give you some techniques to really boost your fitness. You have spa, you have sauna, you have steam, you have hammam, you have a lot of lavishing facilities to enjoy an unforgettable experience of life. You expect here a premium service of concierge. You talk about multilingual staff and a lot of attention. You enjoy the attention. You are surrounded by people all the time on every step that you take. So guys, I'm gonna bring you more information on Nok Hospitality. I'm your lifestyle hospitality expert, Hassan Zubair. Till we meet again, goodbye, ciao ciao.